Hello everyone, and welcome back to QLip English.
Hi everyone, I'm Olivia.
And I'm Michael.
This is day 4 of our Shadowing Speaking Practice series.
Today we will practice sentences for meeting friends and small talk.
These sentences are very useful for everyday conversations.
Remember how shadowing works. Listen to me first, then repeat out loud.
Then, I will say the sentence again so you can check yourself.
Are you ready for day 4?
Let's begin.
Sentence 1. Hey, it is so good to see you.
Hey, it is so good to see you.
Sentence 2. How have you been lately?
How have you been lately?
Sentence 3. I have been really busy this week.
I have been really busy this week.
Sentence 4. What have you been up to?
What have you been up to?
Sentence 5. I missed hanging out with you.
I missed hanging out with you.
Sentence 6. You look great today.
You look great today.
Sentence 7. How is your family doing?
How is your family doing?
Sentence 8. Everyone is doing well, thank you.
Everyone is doing well, thank you.
Sentence 9. We should meet up more often.
We should meet up more often.
Sentence 10. What are you doing this weekend?
What are you doing this weekend?
Great, you are halfway through. Keep going. Sentence 11. I am planning to stay home and relax.
I am planning to stay home and relax.
Sentence 12. Do you want to grab a coffee sometime?
Do you want to grab a coffee sometime?
Sentence 13. That sounds like a great idea.
That sounds like a great idea.
Sentence 14. How was your day today?
How was your day today?
Sentence 15. It was a long day, but I feel okay now.
It was a long day, but I feel okay now.
Sentence 16. Have you tried that new restaurant?
Have you tried that new restaurant?
Sentence 17. Not yet, but I really want to go.
Not yet, but I really want to go.
Sentence 18. Let me know if you want to go together.
Let me know if you want to go together.
Sentence 19. It was really great seeing you today.
It was really great seeing you today.
Sentence 20. Take care and talk to you soon.
Take care and talk to you soon.
Excellent. Those were all 20 sentences for day 4.
Now let's review them quickly.
Hey, it is so good to see you.
How have you been lately?
I have been really busy this week.
What have you been up to?
I missed hanging out with you.
You look great today.
How is your family doing?
Everyone is doing well, thank you.
We should meet up more often.
We should meet up more often.
What are you doing this weekend?
What are you doing this weekend?
I am planning to stay home and relax.
Do you want to grab a coffee sometime?
That sounds like a great idea.
How was your day today?
It was a long day, but I feel okay now.
Have you tried that new restaurant?
Not yet, but I really want to go.
Let me know if you want to go together.
It was really great seeing you today.
Take care and talk to you soon.
Great work today. Please replay this episode at least one more time.
Try to use one of these sentences with a friend today.
Tomorrow is day 5. We will practice sentences for talking on the phone.
Thank you for practicing with us.
Please like the video and subscribe to QLip English.
See you tomorrow for day 5.
Goodbye.
Bye!